Hello guys, we have got MacBook Air today, which is board number 82034337. When you put the DC jack in, show you here. So when you put the DC jack in, so that's very normal. See, it turns green as soon as you connect. Adapter sense is working and it turns yellow. So DC in power is working all good, but it's still not turning on. As you can see, fan is not spinning. So no heat point, nothing. So in this situation, what we have to do is to check power aliases. So I will go quickly, but if you don't know where to find the power aliases, so you can just go to schematic diagram and then search here power aliases, and these are all power aliases. So you can check one by one. So first of all, let's check the first one we have got in the line is PP bus G3 hot. Okay, so these are where we can check PP bus G3 hot. So this is the backlight fuse. This is also on PP bus G3 hot. So I will bring you here again. Okay, I think you can see, turn on this one and just move this to you can see the multimeter. Can you? Yeah, I will just put it here. See if we have got PP bus G3 hot. No, PP bus G3 hot is not present, as you can see on the multimeter. So let's check PP 3V42, PP bus 3V42, bus 3V42. PP3V. Okay, so I will check it, usually check it on J4800. Let's check on J4800 if we have got PP 3.42 line. Okay. Oh, sorry, I have to. It just snipped off. DC jack. Okay. Yeah, so as you can see, we have PP 3.42 underscore G3 hot is present. So because I remember by heart these power aliases which I have to check, so but if you are new, you can always look at the schematic diagram and go to the power aliases page, and where you can find all the power aliases. So anyway, so let's come back here. So the next thing I will be looking, let's check. So PP 3.42 is present, and let's check PP 3v3 underscore SO. PP 3v3 underscore SO. So we have got these all the points here, which is, I will check it here just by the DC jack here. I will bring you back here again. Okay, so let's here. Where is the multimeter? You can see, right? So that's all good. Put it here and so nothing here. So we do not have anything at pp_bus_g3 hat, and we do not have anything under pp3v3_so. So if you have got this sort of situation, from my experience, all of these power areas, there is one common IC which is u5450. So usually that is failed. So let's check u5450. u5450. Okay, so here we have got u5450. You know where it is now, so we will come back here.
Good morning, Advocates. How can I help you?
Let's just check here. Okay, I will make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so we will check in resistance mode, which is also we can call beep mode. So can you see? Okay, so we know this is ground, which is okay. We know this is ground, which is okay. This is not grounded. We'll check this one. See, this is not a ground part. This is not a ground part. This is not a ground part, but we can still hear it's shorted to ground. So only these two are grounded pads, which is okay. We have got. So let's show you here what resistance I'm getting, because some viewers, they say no, beep is not okay. Okay, beep is not okay. Let's see what the resistance is on this one. As you can see, this is not a grounded pad, and how low the resistance is. So this is obviously shorted. So let's remove this u5450 and put another one and see how it goes. Oh, wow. Just realize one thing, man. Do you see? You see this? Oh man, this is, we have to replace this as well, or most probably this is, okay, let's see where this is connected to. Just realize this is blown as well. So I will like to go back here and here. Where is this is connected to? Okay. So it's not showing it's directly connected to u5450, but we have to go on physical evidence first. So I have to remove that capacitor, which is I can clearly see is blown, and then I will check u5450 again. Let's come back here. See, sometimes you are concentrating on one thing and you missed another thing, which is, and before I do it, I would like you, definitely it should be shorted. Yes, it is shorted. Maybe once we remove that, the short from there might also be released. For me, at least, when I'm repairing a board, when I see a physical damage, that usually is a relief that is where the problem is. Otherwise, sometimes it's just a rabbit hole. You keep digging, and after 2 hours of work, you find out it's still not fixed. Let's see, only replacing this might fix the problem. Come out, man, come on. Alright, this has come out. Now check again what we have here. No. Now the next thing is, I will be quite happy. Do you see? So no short on u5450. So that's right, these two are grounded, as I told you before. So guys, we know this is what that was C7582. C7582, from the board view we see that it's not even connected to u5450, but all the parts, they are interconnected, so that was causing the problem. Now the next thing I will be doing is removing this from another donor board and see how it goes. So guys, this is what I have removed from the donor board. Which one? This one here. So most probably this will sort our problem and we will have a working board. Okay. Let's check one more time. Yep, I thought that beeps. This is ground, this is power line. So we will let it cool for a while and then we will check. Okay, so let's hoping for the fan to spin. Wow, same thing again. Oh my god, it's still dead. So it's still dead. Let's check again u5450. u5450. Alright, so I'm more interested on u5450 PP3v3 SO line. 3v3 SO line, which is, what the hell, man. So I will put the multimeter here so that you can see. This is bad, man. This is PP3v3 SO line. Oh, sorry, I have to get it in volt. No, I still don't have anything PP3v3 SO line. Let's check, because this is ground. Yeah, it's still shorted. Even though we have removed it, but is this shorted still? No, this line is shorted. and that same thing happened again. See? So when I removed this, the short was gone, but as soon as I put it back, the short is there again. Interesting. So what I have decided now is to remove u5450 and then check if the, and before I do that I have to put my exhaust fan on. It gives me sometimes headache if I'm using too much flux and inhaling it. Of course it's not good. So let's, you can see right here, it might not be u5450, it might be another IC in the line, but we don't know unless we remove them, and because it's not even giving me any heat point, so I have got no other option. Come on, melt. Should come out. Uh-oh, it's blown off. Anyway, we'll find it. So the next thing I have to check if this has released. Okay, do you see guys, it has at least, so that capacitor was no short. And the next thing I have to check is not short it, not short it, not short it. So maybe I was right, u5450 caused the problem and made that component blown, but we never know. Let's put another u5450. Okay, I got it from donor board. Yep, right orientation. I will get another user actually. Okay. And then if this solved the problem, so that means originally my prediction was right, that this is u5450, but you never know. Okay. Let's check it now if we have sorted the problem. If not, most probably I will be replacing the 3 volt or 5 volt power supply, which might be the next thing to do. Yep, okay. Okay, let's see what happened now. Come on, give me some sign, give me some sign. Yep. Okay, it turns on. Fan is spinning. Nice. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and see you in next video. Take care, bye.